Bonjour et bienvenue sur Ezee French. This is the channel where you can learn French fast and easily. Book Lesson 12, Regular ER Verbs. Today's lesson is very powerful. You will learn how to conjugate regular ER verbs. Once you know the pattern, you can use hundreds of verbs. Let's start with the verb parler, to speak. Step 1, remove er. The root is parle. Step 2, add the endings. Repeat after me slowly. Je parle. Tu parles. Il ou elle parle. Nous parlons. Vous parlez. Ils ou elles parlent. Note, the ending en is silent, so ils parlent is pronounced simply as parle. Now let's try other verbs. Aimer, to like or love. Example, j'aime le chocolat. Étudier, to study. Example, nous étudions le français. Regarder, to watch. Example, il regarde la télé. Travailler, to work. Example, elle travaille à Paris. Now, let's check some common mistakes. X, je parle. Wrong. Check, je parle. Correct. X, ils parlent. Wrong. Check, ils parlent. Time for practice drills. Repeat after me again. Je parle. Tu parles. Il parle. Nous parlons. Vous parlez. Ils parlent. Now some quick exercises. Conjugate aimer with vous. Du, toi, quatre. Correct answer, vous aimez. Fill in the blank. Nous, da à Paris. Verb, habiter. Un, deux, trois. Answer, nous habitons à Paris. Translate into French. I like French. Un, deux, trois. Answer, j'aime le français. We work a lot. Un, deux, trois. Answer, nous travaillons beaucoup. They, feminine, study English. Un, deux, trois. Answer, elles étudient l'anglais. Many roleplay. Julie, tu parles anglais? Paul, oui, je parle anglais et un peu français. Julie, super, nous parlons français ensemble alors. Recap. You now know the ER verb conjugation pattern. This works for hundreds of verbs. Homework. Comment 2 sentences using ER verbs. One with je, one with nous. See, that's it for today's lesson. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so you can learn French fast and easily with us here on Ezee French. À très bientôt!